going on YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy Diaz Dan. I'm back again with a video for you guys. Got the Air Jordan 6 Chinese New Year's on deck. We're about to get into a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet at the end of the video. Y'all know how I do. But yeah, man, Chinese New Year's. Every year Jordan brand hits us with a Chinese New Year's shoe. Last year was the 12s. The year before that were the 5s. That's probably the only ones I remember right now. But yeah, now they gave us the 6s, and these are nice. Alright, we're going to get into this review. Before I get into it though, I want to give a big shout out to my man Holy Sneaks. Always coming through. Big shout out to him, man. All his information be in the description. Enough talking. Let's get into this review. First, y'all know how I do. Let's start off with the box. Dope box on deck for the price point. Now, these are going to be $250. They released February 1st. Price point is a little high, but I think it's an all-around dope shoe. Take a look at the box. Typical black and gold box. You got a pull-out black and gold box with the gold Jumpman on it. Size tag reads Air Jordan 6 Retro CNY. The colorway is black metallic gold. Got your gold hole right there with the gold Jumpman. Boom! Take a look. You got your fireworks all on the paper. It's looking really nice. That is a really nice touch. Comes with your set of white paper. And of course, comes with this right here. Now, inside the box, it is red. Take a look at that right there. That's pretty nice. All red in the inside, you know what I'm saying? On the lid, it is also in red. And of course, it does say, like last year, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Alright, that's really, really nice. Let's get into the shoes. Got a nice soft nubuck in the front of your toe. Going up, you got your black laces, flat black laces. Going up over here, you got your gold Jumpman stitched in right there. Alright, lace lock also in gold with the black Jumpman. Got your Air Jordan on the tongue, of course, blacked out. Bow, take a look at that midsole, man. Love the hits of gold. I love me some gold and black. Got your gold hits on the midsole with the black. Air bubble unit is clear. Now over here where the perforated holes are, it is in 3M. I will give you guys a quick shot right now. On the panel right here where you see all the fireworks, take a nice close-up look at that. You see all the fireworks. Now on the panel, all this where the 3 is, and you got your flower, it's like a, if you can hear that, it's kind of like a nylon material. You can see the flower right there. Got a nice vibrant color to it with the green flowers behind it with the white complementing it. You got your gold fireworks right there. Take a look at the medial side. Medial side, same as the lateral. You got your 3M right here where the nubuck is. Midsole blacked out with the hits of gold. Air bubble unit clear like I said. Let's take a look at the back of the shoe. Back of the shoe. You got your Air right there stitched in with the gold Jumpman. Spoiler. As you can see, the spoiler does have the gold stripe. Inside the shoe, got the red inner sole inside with the black Jumpman. Sock line is also in black. Bottom of the shoe, boom, bow. Got your hits of black, red Jumpman, y'all can see. And that's basically it, man. These are the Air Jordan 6s that release February 1st, the Chinese New Year's. I want to know what you guys think in the comments. I think they dope as hell and just really something that I really want to add to the collection. I love me some 6s. For sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you guys go true to size. Alright, I'm a size 9. These are a size 9 and they fit perfect. Now, I'm going to give you guys that look of how they look on feet so you guys can get a better look at them. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, man. Got more videos to come this year. It's about to be lit. And yeah, man, thank you all for your support. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy Diaz Dan, and I'm gone.
jungle.